The membership was 100% dependent on diesel power. That produced a lot of noise pollution, and we were 100% dependent on barge-delivered fuel, which oftentimes was delayed by weather and other adversities.
So the system is designed to maximize the use of the solar energy installed throughout all the rooftops. During the day when it's sunny, that energy will run the village. If there's excess energy, it will go into the batteries and charge the batteries up, having them run through the night until the next day when the process can start over. One of the benefits that we are seeing is the remote monitoring. So we're able to keep an eye on the system from outside the community and help community members deal with power problems or things that they're seeing within the village.
The plans for the future for KHFN include a massive energy efficiency project that's coming forward, where we are taking out all the propane furnaces and replacing them with heat pump, HRV, combination heating systems. And the solar microgrid is what's allowing us to do that.